Question 9, part A. Simplify A, add A, add A, add A. Well, when you're adding things together, we can just count them. So there are 4 A's there. So quite simply, that would be written as 4A. Part B, simplify 3 times C times D. Well, they're different letters, so they can't be gathered together, and the number doesn't change because it's only one number. But we generally don't write a multiply symbol between different parts of an algebraic term, so therefore we would just write this as 3CD, removing the multiply symbol from between each character. Part C, 3EF, add 5EF, take away EF. Now the biggest mistake people would make is to say, right, 3EF add 5EF is 8EF, take away the F means I've just got 8 left. But what we're doing is trying to count how many EFs we have. That's all the number is telling us how many we have. So 3 EFs add 5 EFs is 8 EFs. Take away an EF leaves us with 7 EFs. Part D, 3G equals 18. We need to remember that 6G, not 3G there, sorry, 6G means 6 times G equals 18, or 6 times something is 18. So you should be able to look at that and say immediately that it's the number 3. 6 times 3 is 18. If not, we can use something which is called inverse operations. 6 times G, so to undo that 6 times, we're going to divide by 6. So if we do that on the left, 6 divided by 6 leaves us with 1, so that's just G on its own. And we've got 18 divided by 6 is 3. Gives us the same answer. Double check it. 6 times 3 is 18. Part E. 5H add 7 equals 17. Solve it. So, we're going to use the same method we just did there. We're going to use inverse operations and keep the equation balanced. This question is worth 2 marks. You have to show some working out for it. You may be able to look at it and instantly go 5 times something add 7 and work out what that something is. But without that method, you're only going to get 1 mark. So, if I have 5 times h and then add 7, to work backwards through this, I want to subtract 7. Subtracting 7 from the left will leave us with just the 5h. That 7 has gone. But we need to do the same on the right to keep it balanced. 17 take away 7 leaves us with 10. From here you can jump straight into the answer. Let's just work it through using this balance method. 5 times h, so to undo that we're going to divide by 5 to get rid of the multiply. Divide that by 5 leaves us with just h. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Does that work? 5 times 2 is 10. Add 7 is 17. That quick check phase will allow you just to reassure yourself that you've got the right answer. Putting in 2 there, showing our method will give us the 2 marks.